Hello, friends! Welcome to English class! Today, we are still continuing our journey on farm animals. But today, we will learn about the animal sounds and their movements. Are you ready? Let's start! Friends, do you know which farm animal makes that sound? You're right, it's the cow. Now, cows like to move around by walking in big and open spaces so they can eat all the grass that they want. Now, do you know which farm animal makes that sound? That is the sound of a goose. Now, a goose doesn't like flying alone because they like to fly with their friends. And you can find them flying in the sky when you look up at the sky. How about that noise? Can you guess what farm animal makes that noise? That is the sound of a rooster. Now this rooster still likes to walk around at the farm while bopping their head back and forth and back. Can you guess which farm animal makes that sound? It is the horse. Now horses likes to run around in big empty field all day long. Good job, friends! Today you got to learn about farm animals and their sounds and also how they move. Hope you had fun and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.